We all know the Jamaican motto, out of many, we are one people. Mr. Wholeness, I'm saying today we got to change that. I think that's creating a mental issue, a mental instability in the land that we love, Jamaica. Why not follow President Trump's lead? We've got to change some things about our nation that don't necessarily incite unity. Why should we call the Gulf of America the Gulf of Mexico when it belongs to America? Why should Jamaica say that out of many, we are one people when we are many people out of one? Why don't we change the motto? Prime Minister, Mr. Wholeness, Andrew, I'm calling on you. I'm calling on you, sir. This year, this term, before you leave the office, change the Jamaican motto to a unified motto so we can have it in our minds. The children can have it in their minds in future generations. That out of one, that we are first one as Jamaican people, as Jamaican citizens, as first-class citizens of Jamaica. The world-renowned, famous Jamaica. Let the children know, let the visitors know, let the tourists know that before anything else, we are one.